Cinderella Solution Reviews. How one woman discovered the female fat loss code missed by modern medicine and lost 84 pounds using a simple two-step ritual that 100% guarantees shocking daily weight loss. Only to realize that the once slender body of her 20s and early 30s was now paralyzed with 84 more pounds of fat since the last time she stepped on the scale. In the hours that followed, she was greeted by the now almost daily episodes of piercing anxiety, shame and hopelessness. All while being consumed by venomous guilt that she was letting everybody around her down. And while she often caught her husband looking at other women the same way he used to look at her, she still tried her best to get her body back by trying every diet under the sun, and exercising for hours on end each and every day. But it was on this day, after stepping on the scale, that she finally realized it was all for nothing. So as she sat there, that anxious sorrow she felt for herself. She had no clue the extra had weight triggered a life-jeopardizing sequence. Doctors now call the ticking time bomb of the female metabolism. The recently discovered female-only fault line triggered in your early 20s that hardwires your body to crave weight gain for the next 30 years of your life. Even worse and surprisingly, nobody ever talks about how this condition quietly needles away at your immune system, deliberately crippling your ability to fight off disease and maintain your figure. Which is why Carly could barely feel her body imploding inwards on itself until it was too late. And because for 86 to 92% of women over the age of 25, the weight just creeps on slowly while actually stalking your vital organs. Then before you know it, your fit, healthy, happy and disease-free body is gone and you are left wondering, what happened to the old me? But that was the least of Carly's worries that morning. Because little did she know, the countdown had already started. And the fairy tale life she pictured as a little girl would be stolen away from her in a matter of seconds. Suddenly her fingers began to tingle while black dots shot across her eyes. As she struggled for breath, it felt as though cement slowly flooded her legs while her knees began to buckle, and now, as if in fast forward, she saw the tiles on the floor racing towards her face. "Carly!" screamed her husband after being startled by all 209 pounds of his wife hitting the ground. "Honey, what happened?" As he ran to the bathroom, violent agony took a vice-like grip over his wife's entire body. "Carly, wake up. What's happening?" he yelled with fear-infused desperation. But although her eyes were open, he could tell that behind those eyes, there was nobody there. Which is why right now, if you are a woman with more than 10, 15, or even better 20+ pounds to lose, you need to pay close attention. Because the breakthrough Carly uncovered only a couple hours later. Hooked up to tubes, laying in a hospital bed, not only saved her life, but triggered a flood of what scientists call the weight loss doubling molecule that lays dormant inside even the most stubborn female metabolism. Which is why her friends, her family and even Carly's doctor were shocked when this sequence not only ended her battle with hypertension, pre-diabetes, endometriosis, and even depression, but compelled her body to initiate a 22-hour-a-day fat-burning sequence that grew stronger with each passing day. Read more Cinderella Solution Reviews PDF book guide free download YouTube tips trick. Please click link in description below.